Hello and welcome to the Grad Report. Today, we teach you Serbian. Why? Because everyone needs to know a language other than English.
Welcome to the Gradual Report, where we gradually report.
Since I can't teach you the entire language in under 3 minutes, I'm going to teach you some useful phrases. Please, repeat after me. Good morning. Dobro jutro. U pičku materinu. Means good morning, motherfucker. Nice to see you again. Lepo da ti vidim opet. U pičku materinu. Now, some useful phrases for getting around town. My wife and I will have our margaritas by the yacht. Moje pička I ja ću imati naše margaritas pored brod. It's such a lovely language, isn't it? I've told you once before, and if I have to tell you again, I'll kill you. Ja sam ti rekao jedan put pre. Ako ti kažem još jedan put, ubiću te. Your car is a very green color. Tvoje kola je jako zeleno u boju. I know what you're thinking. But the more you scream, and the louder it is, the more likely it is someone will understand you. You have a very pretty bird. Ti imaš jako lepu pticu u pičku materinu. Now, if you were to get into a conflict with someone and you would need to say a swear word, try this on for size. Jeboćete sunca iz nebu! That means, quite literally, I will F the sun out of your heaven. With these few phrases, you should be well on your way to making lots of friends in Serbia. Or Montenegro. Or Kosovo. Final summation, this has been a language learning experience. There'll be more of these. I love you, little lemon drops. Take care of yourselves, and remember, if the only thing you remember today is pičku materinu, don't say it in church.
I am the devil, you can dance with me tonight. You can dance, you can dance, you can dance with the devil tonight. Ja sam satana, možeš igrati sa mene noćas. Igrati sa mene noćas. Igrati sa mene noćas.
Wicked. I'm fluent.